we're back another year.
Yeah, 9 years, and every year I feel is more exciting than the one before it.
We throw this festival so people like yourselves can come and learn more and integrate tea into your life. Everybody has a lot to share.
We have over 22 tea merchant educators. There's tea poetry, the World Kung Fu Tea Championship. We have a tea ceramics gallery. The tea symposium, though, oh wow.
Yeah, looking forward to it.
Yeah, we start with the Japanese tea ceremony demonstration by our friends at the Urasenke Tankokai. We have backyard tea making sessions. And then the final talk is going to be a live feed from Yunnan. I am so excited.
International Tea Appreciation Society is a nonprofit. Everybody's volunteer-based. All your donations really help make this festival happen.
The Tea Festival Revival, this was our 9th year. We are going to be in year 10 next year. Isn't that incredible? Every year that this happens is just such a wonderful opportunity for everybody to get together and hang out and drink tea and learn, and really already looking forward to next year, which is, by the way, going to be on October 4th. And thank you to you all. Thank you to everybody.